Hi guys, so here is my tutorial on how to do these Geode Agate looking nails. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So to do this, you can kind of use any color combination you want. Here's what I used for one look. You want to start with the glitter and make sure it's really opaque, because that is the center of the geode basically, and you want it to look like crystal, so chunky glitter works best for that as well. And then you want to protect that with some top coat so that when you're filing you don't ruin it. Then I just went in with two different types of glitter, just because why not. I figured this would look really nice as a sort of like encrusting around that inner crystal layer, and just cure all of these layers normally as you would. Then I went over with another layer of black, and then just start adding however many different shades of your chosen color as you want. I like to put colors that contrast against each other to add more depth and make the lines stand out more. And also, if you know that you're only going to be filing a geode into the center of the nail, then you don't have to go around the entire edge of the nail with all the layers, because this look does get a bit thick, but you can just apply the inside color layers in the middle if you wish, so that you keep the outsides thinner. Once you've finished all your colors, go over with a final dark color that will be the outer layer of the rock, and then you want to top coat that. So we've applied all the different colors and now we're on to the filing. I prefer using a sanding band for this because I feel like it creates more of a rough, jaggedy texture along the edges, whereas I found that metal bits kind of leave it too smooth, and I like that rockiness. I feel like it adds more detail. So you want to just lightly go across the top. You don't want to do this on like too high of a speed, because you'll go through the gel polish way too fast and just ruin your design. So you do want to take your time with it and get used to how the colors file away. Once you start getting towards the glitter, you want to tilt the file upwards a bit so that you're using the edge of the bit, and that way you can go down in a narrower line and create the thin inner hole. I don't know what you want to call it. So I'm just speeding through this bit so that you can just see where else I place these little crevices. That's the word, crevice. Crevice. Yeah, so I like to add some crevicing to the edges of the nails. I feel like that makes it look less sort of awkwardly placed in the center of the nail. It just sort of makes it look more natural and interesting. So once you've finished your design, apply a nice thick layer of top coat. It will feel a little bit bumpy, so you can go in with a smaller brush and sort of paint in some top coat to fill in the crevices if you wish, or you can do a layer of builder gel and then buff that out so you basically encapsulate the design. And there we go, that is basically how you do it. I'm just going to show you one more design that I did with blue and gold. So this was a gold glitter in the center, and then a bunch of different blues, and then finished with a metallic dark blue. So you can just see how using the edge of the file you can create thinner, narrower veins and crevices. And also I would avoid doing a big, like, long crevice right down the middle of the nail and leaving it at that, because that does tend to make the design look like a vagina. But if that's what you're going for, then you do you, babe. Right, so just dust this off again and apply the top. Oh, that looks so nice. Doesn't that just look, I love that. I love that. This was my favourite I've done so far. Not to toot my own horn, but fucking hell, that's gorgeous. I had a bit of turquoise in there. Oh, blush. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys followed that. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I will get back to you. I am a qualified nail technician if you're watching this and you didn't know that. Yeah, have fun with this design if you do it yourself. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!